In this video, I am showing you some of the interior work which team is working currently and completed some of the project recently. You can see this is the puja unit Gopuram where this is done with the interior. Plywood has been used and on the top of that they will be providing the this is the TV unit cabinet which is work in progress, and in the bedroom you'll be seeing the wardrobes work, and on the top they will be providing the loft. The work is in progress now. This is the kitchen partition, and again I am showing you the bedroom wardrobes along with the loft. Currently internal work is in progress, and on the top of this they will be providing the doors where they will be providing the sliding door for this uh, bedroom wardrobes. And here is a study table, and also on the top of that you will get the boxes where you can store the books. This can be used as a study table or work table. Again, this is a bedroom wardrobes where multiple cupboards have been provided along with the loft. If anyone is looking for a interior work service, can contact on the number which is shown in this video. These are the examples of uh, puja room gopuram. The work is in progress. How they make this gopura? They will prepare here and they will place on the top of the puja room walls, and they will be fitting this on the puja room. They are marking for preparing this gopuram. Now gopura has come to some stage where they will be completing this and placing on the rooftop on the puja room walls. This is the TV unit where they are fixing the drawers for this TV unit. Where they have provided the channels and they are now fixing the drawers for this, and also they will be checking the smoothness, how smooth it moves. This is how the channel drawers will be checked. So as I mentioned earlier, if anyone is looking for a interior work like kitchen cabinets, kitchen partitions, puja unit, gopuram puja units, and bedroom wardrobes, any kind of wardrobes, open doors or sliding doors, TV unit, study table, work table, and even cots. If you are looking for any kind of service, can contact on the number which is just shown in this video. This is a TV unit, and this is a kitchen partition where they are providing the laminates for these. In the house construction, the interior work is a final stage where the work needs to be done accurately with the aesthetic looks, because this is a final output which people will be able to see. So this has to be done with precision due care. So anyone is looking for a good interior work support or service can contact on the number which is shown in this video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video with some other services which related to house construction. Thank you.